Hello friends, this is Bidhan and you watching Bidhan World Vlogs.
My second unboxing Redmi 6. Okay guys, I'm going to open the box. Wow, amazing. This is Redmi 6. This variant's black color. Okay. Now I'm going to show you unboxing here Redmi 6. Okay, let's see. काट लो जरा. Here is the box. This variant is black, 3GB RAM, 32GB internal. Nice look. Now I'm going to unboxing this mobile. Oh, what a look. Best Redmi 6. Dual camera also here. P22 octa-core processor. Wow, great stats. And this phone is a quick guide. You can see adapter, power adapter, USB cable, okay, over here. This is the SIM ejector tool over here. SIM ejector tool. Okay. Wow. After settings the mobile, just a second. This is a fingerprint scanner and one skin lock. Okay, but after settings the mobile and click the power button. So fast. Wow, that's great thing. And you can see the camera quality. Okay, so many options here. Camera quality, so many options here. Portrait mode we oh, this is amazing. And front facing camera, best. Good. And they have bunch of apps and settings. Model number Redmi 6, Android version 8.1, RAM 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and 23.89GB available. And camera quality not very so good, and best things, powerful 2.0 octa-core max processor, MediaTek P22 octa-core processor. This is actually very fast. And last things, the power adapter. power adapter, 5 volt and 1 ampere output. This device is not a fast charging and giving a normal USB cable. So okay guys, I think you like my second unboxing video. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Cheers.